The rollout of the iPhone 11 series is when we last saw a considerable change in the iPhone's display. August has begun, and all we have to witness the groundbreaking launch of the iPhone 16 series is wait another month. Although we've come closer to time to the launch event for the iPhone 16, prolific tipsters and their credible estimations have confirmed almost everything we will see in and in the iPhone 16 lineup, wherein we also got to know that the Pro models will sport bigger displays than their predecessors. In case you're wondering why is it so, this article will briefly give it a shot. Bigger screens on iPhone 16 Pro and iPhone 16 Pro Max. As disclosed by credible sources in the smartphone industry, the Pro segment of the iPhone 16 Pro and the iPhone 16 Pro Max will feature the following sizes: iPhone 16 Pro 6.3 inches up from 6.1, iPhone 16 Pro Max 6.9 inches up from 6.7. Although these are pretty nominal bumps to the display, they corroborate with earlier speculations emerging in the form of images. Similarly, these changes are not so insignificant that they could be attributed to a slight shuffle of internal hardware components, but the triviality of these increments is what makes it perplexing. Only a look at the previous timeline of display changes would address the reason behind the modification in the iPhone screen size. The rollout of the iPhone 11 series is when we last saw a considerable change in the iPhone's display, with the iPhone 11 Pro and iPhone 11 Pro Max and Pro Max featuring 6.1-inch and 6.7-inch screens, and now a major increment in the iPhone screen comes 5 years later.